KLTO stock analysis and KLTO stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially looking at Klotho Neurosciences now, I actually quite adore it and quite like it. 1.7%, $1.7 is where we're sitting at, $1.70. Honestly, it's sort of in this bigger correction today, which is totally fine. Now, don't be surprised if we just experience a crazy crash, because this is like our example as bad has been kind of been taken out lately. And I mean, it's totally normal. That's why I wait for rules to be met. Like, I myself have done 42,000 videos, so it's not like I haven't seen this happen tens of thousands of times. You can see there's 3 results in the trade alert section, KLTO, in the Discord. And currently, like, if there is no sort of double break, like I always mention, then there is going to be no buying. So I'm saying if there is no sort of shift, there's going to be no sort of buy from my side. So that's where we are. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my pre-mails. If you also want to stay tuned with KLTO.